I'm just an animal that strains against my line. I push and pull the cord to make me feel alive. I had to fight to rest the reins back on my life. Here come the stars again. Here come those scars again. How quickly we become the things that we despise. One talked her out of it, another lost a child. So many questions stalking through me day and night. Give me the ghost back. Give me the ghost back. What goes when my relinquish sin? What's that reading in? What goes when I face who I've been? It's that old grief again. Oh, terror is a long dark night. Death awake with the ones who die, the ones who try to say goodbye to that cold white light. Face to face, but we have to try to face the night. 200 million feel they're underneath the knife. A million of us can't forget what we can't hide. Saw one friend overdose, another took his life. Give me the ghost back. Give me my ghost back. Terror is a long, sharp knife. Regret and fear have an appetite. Appetite. So say goodbye, old white knight. The fairy tale ending for the night. Just death and life. Say goodbye to that cold white light. Goodbye. Say goodbye to that cold white light. Goodbye to the ones who try to face the night. Here come the stars again. Here come the stars again.
Post-match interview. Very good game.
Very good game, amazing. We took it in the second half.
First half we weren't woken up, but the second half really got our foot down.
Yeah.
Cheers for Rhyl for the
Amazing opportunities for us.
hospitality. Yeah. And thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, boys.